KitKat here, and today I'm going to be making slime with borax. Now, borax will burn your skin if you are allergic to it, but if you are not allergic to it, I suggest you can use this contact eye solution, Tide Running Free, or literally anything else that you know is an activator. And I'm going to be using shaving cream and school glue, white school glue. Okay, so I'm going to mix the shaving cream and school glue together first. Okay, be right back. Alright, hope you can see my bowl. Yeah, okay, this is like weird pulling all this glue out. There's like still a lot more in here. So I'm just gonna sort of crush it, sort of not, and just press it in. Okay. Alright, so I poured my glue in, we put the shaving cream in. It's so satisfying. Alright, and now we can mix this together. And at this point, you can add food coloring in. I'm not going to add food coloring in yet because I want to color it a different color, which you can also use markers if you want. So now I can add in my borax or any other activator that you know. You can add that in now. And then keep mixing and it will become what you all should know. This slime, guys, is working. Adding a little bit at a time. Alright, well, it's becoming slime, so I'm gonna keep messing with it and adding more activator. I think it might need water, so I'll be right. Alright, I added water, and now I'm gonna keep mixing. Become slime. Yay, it's becoming slime. I can play with that. Oh no! I got slime all over my camera. Can you see it? Like, I got slime all over the camera. Hang on. Okay, I fixed it. It's just a little sticky, but look. Maybe it needs a little bit more activator. Then it won't be so